Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce. So you can see I'm on the home page of CJ Dropshipping. Now what you need to do is first head over to your app section, and over here you need to click on install apps. So since by default it doesn't come with already installed apps, so you need to simply install WooCommerce over here, and it is going to be guiding you the exact process you need to set up your WooCommerce bridging with CJ Dropshipping. So let's just cross this out. You can see we have WooCommerce over here. Now we need to simply transfer our record or add our store on WooCommerce. Enter in here your store. You can see your store type. You have authorization. Either you want default or the plugin. Then you have your store URL. Once you do that, click on authorize and you have it. You're going to be having a connection between CJ Dropshipping and WooCommerce. So this is how simple it is. I hope this is going to be helping. See you around in the next video.